How to create your own private bank or private banking trust. They've been banking on your name. Now it's time you bank on yourself. First, understand this. This isn't about opening a checking account at Chase. This is about reclaiming your commercial energy, establishing lawful control over your trust and estate, and creating a private banking structure that operates outside of the regulated, debtor-based public system. You're not just creating a bank. You're becoming the banker. Let's build it out. Step 1. Establish your foundation. Status. First, you cannot operate a private bank if you're still considered a debtor. Prerequisites. Status correction completed. Affidavit of status recorded. DS-11 passport annotated and submitted. W-8 Ben filed with Treasury and IRS. UCC-1 filed. This is optional but powerful. All caps name identified as the transmitting utility. Once you've declared yourself alive and foreign to the U.S. corporate system, you're ready to create lawful contracts, issue instruments, and engage in private banking activities. Step 2. Create your private banking trust. You'll need to establish a private express trust or foreign grantor trust, properly constructed under common law or contract law, not statutory or commercial trust law. Core documents. Declaration of trust indenture. Certificate of trust. List of trustees and minutes of first meeting. Security agreement between you and the trust. EIN 98 series, issued by IRS for a foreign trust with a U.S. trustee naming tip. Keep it private, avoid names like Bank of. Instead use names like Adams Private Holding Trust or Emmanuel Fiduciary Trust for the benefit of. Step 3. Give it banking power. The right language. This trust must be constructed with banking language embedded into the indenture. Include powers such as to accept deposits of instruments, to issue and discharge negotiable instruments, to enter into private contracts and agreements, to act as fiduciary, trustee, or administrator over financial matters, to lawfully settle and close accounts in equity, to issue credit and honor bills of exchange. Do not use language that implies public regulation. Step 4. File the proper notices. You're not registering a public entity. You're giving notice that your trust exists and that you have first lien position over your all caps name. Suggested filings. UCC-1 financing statement, listing the trust as secured party. Notice of interest sent to Secretary of Treasury and IRS. Registered trust declaration sent to yourself via registered mail. Bonded promissory note or private bank charter letter. This is optional. Step 5. Establish your banking operations. Here's where function meets form. Your trust can now accept promissory notes, 1099 discharges, and private instruments. Open private, not personal, accounts at banks under the trust name. Enter into contracts using trust credit. Issue certificates of beneficial interest or certified statements of account. Create lawful remittance letters, settle debts, and close public accounts. This is what the banks do with your signature. Now you're doing it lawfully, intentionally, and privately. Optional. This is an advanced tools. Private bank charter letter. Declare intent and scope of operations. Private fiduciary appointment letter. Appoint yourself or another as trustee fiduciary. Trust ledger. Private bank ledger. For internal record keeping and transparency. Common law PMA overlay for multi-purpose operations under private law. Important rules to live by. Never mix public and private. Don't use your SSN or register this entity. Always operate under contract. No contracts, no commerce. Stay in honor. Never misrepresent. Lawful, not legal. Keep your paper trail. Registered mail, sealed affidavits, and signed ledgers. We offer everything you need in our packet. Reach out to us today at
glgse7en@gmail.com. Free yourself today. We're excited to provide you with access to the most up-to-date technology and research that have successfully helped numerous individuals in the past. We're confident that they can do the same for you. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or concerns. We highly recommend reviewing our information packet, which contains cutting-edge and proven knowledge. We believe that access to this information is important for everyone, and we encourage you to share it with your friends and family.